Tronsmart has established itself as a global leader in producing high-quality, affordable audio products. The brand specializes in portable speakers, party speakers, and Bluetooth headphones, all recognized for their innovative technologies like SoundPulse and TuneCon. With a wide array of models already available, they continue to expand their lineup, hoping their latest portable speaker will catch your attention. This is the Tronsmart Mirtune S100 portable outdoor speaker. This Bluetooth option is a powerful yet fairly versatile outdoor speaker. With a 50-watt output and Tronsmart's proprietary SoundPulse technology, it delivers rich bass and clear sound quality, making it perfect for outdoor gatherings, parties, or casual listening. Given all the factors and the relatively low asking price, could this be the perfect option for budget-conscious audiophiles? So the burning question is this product truly worth that asking price? Well, let's first start by unboxing it. So unboxing the S100, and as you can imagine, the unboxing experience is rather basic. You really only get the speaker, a small charging cable, and your basic user manual. Let's start with the design. To be fair, this portable speaker boasts a robust build quality and a sleek modern aesthetic, making it both highly functional and visually appealing. The speaker is designed for rugged outdoor use, thankfully, and as it boasts an IPX7 waterproof rating, it can withstand water submersion up to 1 meter deep for 30 minutes. So you can really use this anywhere near a pool or in the rain, it should be fine. The materials used in its construction feel solid, with a durable exterior that offers both shock resistance and protection from the elements. The rubberized edges help absorb impact from drops, further enhancing its durability. This does feel like a rather well-made speaker for the price. It weighs just enough to feel substantial without being too heavy to carry around. The built-in handle is a practical addition, making it easy to grab and go. This retractable handle can be pulled out of the body and pushed back in when not in use. It's really designed with outdoor use in mind, allowing you to easily carry the speaker with one hand. The front of the S100 is dominated by a sleek black mesh grille that not only protects the drivers but also gives it a clean, professional appearance. The speaker is understated but stylish, with subtle Tronsmart branding that doesn't overpower its look. The speaker comes with a lively lighting setup that brings a fun touch to your audio experience. You can easily switch between 7 different color effects using the app or the buttons, allowing you to create the perfect vibe for any occasion. Surprisingly, the Tronsmart Mirtune S100 is equipped with a powerful 8000 mAh battery, providing impressive longevity for its class. With this large battery capacity, the speaker offers up to about 20 hours of continuous playtime on a single charge, depending on the volume and usage conditions. That is pretty impressive. More than capable for an evening get-together. One of the standout features of the speaker is its ability to double as a power bank. The battery isn't just reserved for audio playback. You can use it to charge your devices on the go via the built-in USB-A port. This means that in addition to enjoying your music, you can keep your smartphone, tablet, or other devices charged during outdoor activities. It's a convenient feature that adds tremendous value, especially when you're far from power outlets. A nice little option. Now, looking at the ports on the back, in addition to the standard USB-C port and auxiliary input, there's also a micro SD card slot and a USB port for file playback. This feature is particularly useful if you expect to be without a streaming connection, such as when you're camping and need an offline audio option. This speaker is designed to deliver a powerful audio experience with its impressive 50-watt output power and a 2.1 channel audio system. This configuration includes a dedicated woofer and 2 tweeters, which work together really well to produce robust bass and rather clear treble. The Mirtune S100 excels in audio customization thanks in large part to its EQ settings and the accompanying Tronsmart app. Inside the app, we do have access to 5 default EQ presets that cater to various listening preferences and music genres. These presets are designed to enhance different aspects of sound, such as boosting bass for hip-hop or emphasizing vocals for pop music. In addition to the presets, the speaker offers a customizable EQ that can be fine-tuned through the Tronsmart app. Users can adjust various frequency bands to create a sound profile tailored to their personal preferences. Beyond audio adjustments, the Tronsmart app may include other functionalities such as firmware updates, device management, and pairing options for connecting multiple speakers through TuneCon technology. This feature allows users to sync several Tronsmart speakers for a surround sound experience, enhancing overall listening enjoyment during gatherings or events. So it would be interesting to see a few of these together. So with that said, let's take a listen to the sound quality of this unit with a few features turned on and off. Now, all in all, if you're looking for a decent sounding portable Bluetooth speaker without spending a fortune, this indeed might be a viable option. It's perfect for everyone from outdoor adventurers to party animals and casual music lovers. With its 50-watt output and 2.1 channel audio system, this speaker packs a surprising punch, plus the 8000 mAh battery means you can make this last for more than a day. If you want a budget-friendly speaker that still delivers amazing sound and great features, the Mirtune S100 is definitely a solid choice. It really stands out in the portable speaker scene, especially if you care about sound quality and a robust build. As always, be sure to check this product out in the link in the description. Let me know what you think. Till next time.